Congratulations on downloading the Business Growth and Automation Blueprint. Most business owners know they need more leads, better systems, and less manual work, but they're not always sure where to start. This blueprint was designed to help you identify the biggest opportunities in your business, but they're not always sure where to traffic before fixing their systems. Many businesses spend money on social and content creation, but they don't have a clear process to capture and convert leads. Think of it like pouring water into a bucket with holes. Before spending more money on marketing, make sure you have a systems visitors into leads and leads into clients. If you're just getting started, focus on these areas first: lead generation systems, AI automation systems, and operation systems. Try to implement everything at once. Start with the biggest bottleneck in your business today. When you schedule your strategy call, come prepared with this question: what is the biggest bottleneck preventing my business from generating more leads and growing a back on your business? We'll review your current systems, identify growth opportunities, and create a roadmap tailored to your business. Thank you for downloading the Business Growth and Automation Blueprint.